Hello family, how is everyone doing? Alright you guys, I told you I was going to come back and when I was going to make some homemade ice cream, and of course this is the basic that everybody use for your homemade ice cream, but I'm going to do a wedding cake ice cream and I want you guys to see this. I will have to show you guys how to make a wedding cake because I made it last week and I just didn't film it. But here are the pieces that we are actually going to add into the ice cream. So I just cut them up into little bitty bites and I froze them. So you want them frozen in order to incorporate them into your ice cream. So of course we have the famous sweetened condensed milk. We have the heavy whipping cream. We have pure vanilla extract. And we have pure almond extract. And what I didn't show, I'm going to add just a tad bit of salt. Also, I put my bowl in the refrigerator and I also put my beaters in the refrigerator. So let me get the beaters out. We'll start on the heavy whipping cream, add our condensed milk, and this will be a quick video as far as putting it together, but of course we're gonna have to put it in the freezer. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, I have this 16 ounce of heavy whipping cream. See the 16 ounce? And we're going to just pour it into this bowl. And as I had stated, I kept my bowl in the refrigerator. So let's use it all. And it's going to make a lot of noise because I'm going to use the hand mixer. I'm afraid if I use the big mixer, it will come out like butter or it'll be too thick. So I can control it better with the hand mixer. So let me start it up and then I'll come back and show you guys how it's supposed to look and then what we'll add next. Okay, while I'm still beating it, I want to go ahead and add the pinch of salt so I can incorporate that in there. This is how much you're going to use. That's it, that's all, just a pinch. Okay, we're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. And you can also get the clear vanilla if you like. Okay, that's a teaspoon of vanilla. Then we're going to do a half a teaspoon of almond extract. Oh, that's table. That's teaspoon. Oh no. That would have definitely been too much. Okay. Now half a teaspoon of the almond extract. Put the almond in here. This is what gives it that kick flavor for a wedding cake, is the almond extract. Now I'm going to stir that in because I don't think I really want to use the mixer anymore. All right, next we are going to, make sure that you don't see the extracts. Next we're going to add the condensed milk. And I also put that in the refrigerator. We want everything cold. And after you mix the condensed milk, we're going to fold that in, and then I'll come back. And once you fold it in, Taste it to make sure that your vanilla is enough and your almond extract is enough. All right, I'll be right back. Oh my God, those two flavors are banging. So now what we're going to do, and the salt really balances out the sweetness. Now what we're going to do, we're going to add pieces of our wedding cake. And I'm also going to save some for the garnish. So let's add pieces. And you guys, it was so delicious. You see pieces of the wedding cake? Again, you remember I always say, try to incorporate what you're cooking and what you need to do to intensify the flavor. You want people to know that the ice cream you just did is a wedding cake ice cream. So I will save a little for the topping. Okay, there are your wedding cake pieces. So when you do your ice cream, it's just going to, you're going to take a bite of that. But I promise you guys, I will come back and show you how to do the wedding cake. All right, let's get ready to put it in this pan that I also put in the refrigerator. We are just going to pour it in. Make sure you get them wedding cake pieces in there. Can you see it? Hold on. Yum! Okay, let's fill it to the rim. Then we're going to put it in the freezer. I'm going to say for about 6 hours. Alright, you guys see that? Alright, let me spread it out. I know it seemed like it's going to be full, but we can get a better scoop. Alright, you see that? And you see pieces of the wedding cake? Alright, I'm going to say 6 hours. And then when I come back, I will show you the product and the final presentation of the wedding cake ice cream.